Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just open the box and what we could find here. So this is the USB Type-C cable, and also we got here some paperwork like the guides and the iPhone sticker, the Apple sticker, and also we got here this magic tool. So this is all the box accessories with which our device comes. We have now here the adapter and protective case on the headphones, so you should buy them separately as always. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.